Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your business with Allstate, full guide step by step clearly. To protect your business with Allstate, begin by assessing your specific needs. Identify the types of coverage that are relevant to your industry. Consider general liability insurance to cover potential claims of bodily injury or property damage. Look into property insurance to protect your business assets from theft or damage. Evaluate workers' compensation insurance if you have employees, to cover work-related injuries. Research business interruption insurance to safeguard against lost income due to unexpected events. Go to the Allstate website to explore their business insurance options in detail. Use their online tools to obtain a personalized quote tailored to your business. Contact a local Allstate agent for expert advice and to answer any questions you may have. Review your policies regularly to ensure they meet your evolving business needs. Take advantage of any available discounts for bundling multiple insurance policies. Consider additional coverages such as cyber liability if your business handles sensitive information online. Stay informed about local and state regulations that may require specific insurance types. Read customer reviews and testimonials about Allstate's service and claims process for reassurance. Finalize your policy by signing the required documents and understanding the terms and conditions. Keep copies of your insurance policies easily accessible for reference. Schedule regular check-ins with your Allstate agent to reassess your coverage needs as your business grows. Utilize Allstate's resources such as risk management tools to further protect your business. Implement best practices to minimize risks and reduce potential claims. By following these steps, you can effectively safeguard your business with Allstate Insurance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.